Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple ID and Apple ID password. So let's start the video. Open App Store and update any app. As you can see, I'm searching WhatsApp on App Store. You can see this app is update required. You just tap the update now. Now it will ask you for password. And if you don't remember the password, you can remove this Apple ID. You can see he's asking the password. You just tap on forgot password. It will take some wait for few seconds. Now remove this Apple ID. And here you now put the new Apple ID that was created earlier. As you can see, I have added a new Apple ID here and also given its password. Tap on next top of the right corner on screen. Enter here the trusted phone number and tap on next. He just asks you send code to your trusted phone number. Tap here and get the verification code. Enter here that verification code. Passcode for other iPhone. If you don't remember, enter any wrong passcode. You can see he's asking to note your passcode. You just tap continue anyway. Tap on send code for email. Go back to the home screen and open the mailbox. The email has arrived. Get the code and go back. Enter here that code. Tap on done. That's it. Hope this helpful for you. Thanks for watching.